him! Hit him!
Did you get him?
Yeah. Don't scare him.
Are you playing a video game on the computer?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So what are you doing, Gavin?
What?
What are you doing?
Playing.
Playing?
Yeah. There's the other one.
You gonna go get another one?
Yeah.
Okay, go find him.
Can't find it. It's
Where is he? Go find him.
Okay. Oh, I hear
You hear him? Hey, Gavin, how old are you?
you. 3.
You're 3 years old?
Yeah. Oh, him. Can't find it.
You can't find it?
Yeah.
You have to go look for him, buddy.
Okay.
Keep going.
Uh-oh. And there's the red one. Oh, my hair.
Hit okay.
Got it. There he is! Find him! There he is!
Go get him. Go get him. Get into the fight, buddy.
I can't find him.
Hey, Gavin. High five.
There is a robot.
There's a
And
robot?
birds. Yeah, that's it.